All right, let's have a look at the PDF report. To create a PDF report, you basically need a template. So every version of ASIO Explore comes with a specific version. Here we have 2.5, which is a default template. You can customize the template by clicking Edit Current Template. And this template editor will pops up. Here we have 3 pages. The first page, we have some text, and then we have some tags. You can see they start with bracket. If you double click on them, you can go to text and you can modify them. You can add space, you can add a text here, or you can change the text above. You can see this is not a tag, this is just a fixed text. And you have a customer address, company name, reporter. In the second page, we have a placeholder for RGB image, for infrared image, for 3D image, and for tags, for IDF attack, severity, and distance from home, etc. And on the third page, you have a placeholder for signature and some terms and condition. All right, you can modify this template until you're happy with your changes and then saving it. You can also save it with different names, so you could have multiple reports. I click on the yes here. Basically, your templates are stored in this directory, and you can create a new one, as I said. And you can also go to import new template to import it from somewhere else. All right, once you're happy with your modification, you can go to your first POI. And here, as you can see, I've already made some notes, like there's a object here, there's object here. I can click on the draw rectangle. I can change the color, for instance, to green. And I can draw a rectangle here, or I can go to next POI. I can do some measurement here. I click on the measure distance and draw a measurement from here to here. And here there is a snapshot button. If I click on that, the Explorer will make a snapshot of this specific thing that you see here in the 3D. So I click a snapshot, taking a snapshot, and I have my first snapshot. I go here. Maybe I take another one from this angle. Snapshot. The first one. Maybe I need this one from the top. I double click on the point cloud and it's centralized on the center of the screen. And I hold the right mouse button and I can go inside and outside. Click on the snapshot. Continue. I create another one here. All right. Save the project, save the changes. Anytime you need to change the project name and address, company, etc., just go to project properties and you can fit it up. Once you're happy with your report, go to export PDF and click on the export. I go to this directory, export. I give it a name, report. It takes a few seconds and you will get your PDF report from every POI that you bookmarked during your flight. All right, this is my report. As you can see, I have my first POI with my infrared and 3D scene and measurements and everything. Second one, severity, distance. Third one, and so on.